The sound for the letter N is N. It's story time! A girl and her grandfather are fishing by a pond. Grandfather has a fishing rod and the girl has a net. Suddenly, they hear a loud and nasty noise as a plane flies overhead. The girl runs around pretending she is a plane, saying, Let's learn some words for the sound Night. Night. Nest. Nest. Net. Net. Nuts. Nuts. Numbers. Numbers. Needle. Needle. Newspaper. Newspaper. Nachos. Nachos. Nozzle. Nozzle. Nature. Nature. Like, share and subscribe.